Introduction to Dr. Mrityunjay Swami, alias Lord Mahavatar. Dr. Mrityunjay Swami or Mahavatar was born on the 30th of November 203 AD in the village Parangipettai in Tamil Nadu in India. His childhood name was Nagraj. His father was a priest. Nagraj loved his mother very much. When he was young, his mother once brought a jackfruit to home and gave it to Nagraj and told him to take care of it, it is for all family members. But when the mother went out, Nagraj ate the whole jackfruit alone. When his mother came to know about this, she was very angry with him and in her anger she put a cloth in Nagraj's mouth. Because of this, Nagraj started suffocating, but he threw the cloth out of his mouth on time and in the meantime, Nagraj experienced death very closely. This incident had a great impact on Nagraj's mind. After that, Nagraj's love for his mother changed and Nagraj began to love his mother with devotion and selflessness. Once when little Nagraj was alone, he was kidnapped, and the kidnappers sold him to a man from Bengal. But, luckily, the person was very kind and he released Nagraj. After that, Nagraj left with a group of sages and monks. Later he attained many meditational powers and abilities by doing rigorous penance under the initiation of sages Agastya and Bogarnath and further attained the title of Mrityunjay, the Immortal. Many centuries passed. After that, Yogi Lahiri Mahase and many disciples who met Nagraj between 1861 and 1935 gave him the name Mahavatar Babaji. Babaji's aim was to spread Kriya Yoga meditational science and give self-awareness and spiritual realization. He was the spiritual teacher of Lord Jesus Christ. He is associated with yogis like Lord Krishna, Jesus Christ, Lahiri Mahase, Yukteswar Giri, Anandamai Guruma, Paramahansa Yogananda etc. Some of the meetings with Mahavatar Babaji are described by Paramahansa Yogananda in his book, Autobiography of a Yogi. This book also details the meeting between Yogananda and Mahavatar Babaji. According to Yogananda's autobiography, Babaji lived in the Himalayan region for hundreds of years. From 203 AD, he is said to be alive till date. After leaving every physical body, Lord Mahavatar does not merge into the infinity, but enters another body by his own wish and comes into existence again in the same look. Lord Mahavatar Babaji has used and discarded many such bodies. This is the hobby of this great yogi. Even today, some people give proofs of meeting with him. Renowned Tollywood actor Rajnikant is a great devotee of Mahavatar Babaji. Lord Mahavatar does not discriminate among anyone. People of any caste or religion can consider him as their spiritual teacher. He is for all to worship. Disciples of Lord Mahavatar, Lahiri Mahase, Paramahansa Yogananda, Yeshua Christ, Yukteswar Giri, Anandamai Guruma etc. Mahavatar Babaji's cave is located on Dunagiri Peak, Kukuchina, Uttarakhand, India. Mahavatar Babaji's mantras. First mantra, Ekamevadvitiyam. Second mantra, Om Kriya Babaji Nama Om. Third mantra, Mrityunjayaya Vidmahe, Mahavataraya Dhimahi. Tano Nagraj Prachodayat. Reference books. The Holy Science by Yukteswar Giri. The Voice of Babaji, a trilogy on Kriya Yoga by V. T. Neelakantan, Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda. Conversations with Babaji by Master Pallavi. Given information is collected by Prit D. Saur alias Sharad. Contact 9960152988. Contact again 9960152988. Thank you for watching this video till now. Share this great story of Lord Mahavatar as much as possible. Ekamevadvitiyam.